What's good, everybody? Welcome to Life on Beagle Road. I got a little something different for you today, because I'm not on the farmstead, homestead, at the house. I'm not in PA. You see, today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am actually in Georgia at the WorkbenchCon, Workbench Convention, WorkbenchCon thing, majigger. I'm at a convention where people make stuff and they also make content. This is something that I have been looking forward to for quite some time, and it's gonna be a good time. If you see over here, this guy with the camera, that's Mitch. If you don't remember Mitch did a nice little video with me, Sutherland, and Jason from Cog Hill. Check it out right here. It's a good flick and an excellent good time. We are both here to see what's going on and learn a thing. Courtney said that before I left, I had to get the kidding stalls done, so those kidding stalls are done. Unfortunately, I didn't get all of it filmed. I only got a few pieces of it, and I'll try to get that for you when I get back from Georgia, but for right now, you're just gonna have to wait. Hopefully next week, we'll see. But the good news is the kidding stalls are complete, and they are ready for some kids. Courtney's having a bit of a panic attack. She's pretty sure that those babies are coming this weekend. I hope they don't, for her sake, because I don't want her stressing out. And you all know Courtney, that's not something she's going to be able to handle all that well, stress without me. Because you know, life without me is very, very difficult. I mean, I am amazing. I am an amazing man. So amazing. At least that's what she tells me. Well, I think she just called me. We should give her a call, find out what's going on. What's up?
Nothing. I was just calling you back. I figured that this one back might be in your car, so.
Oh, I was just telling everybody how amazing I was, because you said so. Do you want to tell everybody how amazing I am?
Yeah, my favorite thing, to tell everyone how great you are.
Well, I hope that's not sarcasm. I mean, I am amazing, Courtney. Just say it.
I would never be sarcastic about that.
You are so funny. Well, hey, listen, I love you. I gotta finish this video. You have a great day, and I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Okay, love you.
I love you, bye.
Bye.
See, I told you all I was amazing. I told you. Believe that. So, for those of you who have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I like to make stuff on this channel. But I have decided that I want to make stuff and talk more about it, and I made a second channel called Life Crafted, which you can check out. Okay, maybe it's here, I don't know. There'll be a link in the description, but I'm gonna put a lot of my making content there as well, and I'm also gonna talk a little bit more about other stuff having to do with making things, so that way I don't bog down the, I don't know, chickens and goats. Just wouldn't be fair to the chickens and goats, right? But either way, I just, it's a decision that we made, and I'm gonna keep making stuff on Life on Beagle Road because I know that you folks like it too, but I wanna dive deeper into it and do some more on a separate channel. So I started that channel, transferred some of the things that I've been making on Life on Beagle Road, and I put it on Life Crafted. But I also just published my very first for Life Crafted only video. So if you want to help me out, go check out that video, and if you like it, subscribe to that channel, and then you can get a double dose of Kenny. Because who doesn't want a double dose of Kenny? I mean, come on, folks. Look at this face. Look at this beard. Could you imagine the videos I will publish with this beard? I'm just kidding. But yeah, seriously, folks, go check it out and give me some love. Because I already love you folks myself. Give me some love. I mean, you always give Courtney love, so I was just thinking maybe you could just help me out just a little bit. Just maybe a little bit of me, lots of Courtney over here, and just a little bit of me over there. I mean, hey, whatever, it's all good. All right, well, we will get back to the regularly scheduled Life on Beagle Road programming as soon as I get back from Georgia, and I'll let you know whether or not we had some babies over the weekend and I'll give you a glimpse of the finished kitting stalls, which do look fantastic, if I must say so myself. And we're going to give you a bit of an update on what's going on with our township battle, because things have progressed. Nothing crazy other than, you know, we got a notice. But we'll talk about that in the next video. Have a great day, folks. Thank you. You're all beautiful people. Oh, yeah, I forgot. This is Mitch. Mitch, say hi to everybody.
Hey, what's up, guys?
See? I told you. Mitch, am I awesome?
You're awesome.
See?
Pretty awesome.
I'm awesome.